And the next part is according to your monthly electricity consumption. For example, if your home loan monthly electricity consumption is 10,000 kilowatt hours. As we all know, 1 month usually have 30 days, right? So 1,000 kilowatt hours divided 30 days is 33.33 kilowatt. And according to calculation, it usually have the 6-hour sunlight times. So it will have the 5.55 kilowatts. So our engineer will recommend you to use the 66 kilowatt system would be the consider, because enough power to use the solar power system is suitable to use to supply to your home loads. So the 6 kilowatt system will be the most suitable for you to use in your home or to use in another way. So if you want us to help calculate, please don't hesitate to contact me anytime. And you can show me your home load, your monthly electricity consumption, or your installation area. We can, according to the installation area, according to your home load, or according to your monthly electricity consumption, to help you to design the suitable solar power system for you to use. And if you choose the suitable solar power system, it can help you to save the electricity bill, or save you some money. So if you have any question, or if you want to use the solar power system but have no idea which model you need, you can ask me and show you some